Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. Boy, I got a neat turning for us today. So a gentleman brought in about a World War I desk leg, and the parts of the turning were broken off. So I want to show you how I do this repair. This is a fun repair. So right here is where the pieces broke off. And the gentleman had two of the pieces left over. So that's what we're going to have to turn. We have to turn these blanks of walnut down to this. So part of the tricky part is how do you grab this in the chuck? On the other end, this nice caster, we can just put our live center in that. That's easy. But this is such an awkward thing to grab here. So I made this boot. And then I shoved this leg up inside the boot. So let's do a turning and see how this goes. So I just want to get this round. Just go real slow. Stop them, we'll check it. We still got some flat spots, so we still need a little turn, a little more down. One way you can check to see if that's round is to lay your tool on top. And if it bounces, there's still some flat spots. A little bit more. Our tolerances are pretty tight. I made these blanks length of 3/4 inches, so we don't have much to spare. So as soon as this gets round, that's our maximum diameter. That looks good. Just that one there, and that's super close, and I think we're going to cut most of that off anyway.